La kuchupa la kuparama, hili show halina garama. Alo, it's a boy, the Kenyan Batman, and today I want to send a big shout out to one of the greatest car salesmen in Nairobi. That is Mr. Patrick, the entire car soko family, car soko and Ndoto ya Gari hugeuka real. So today I wanted to celebrate Mr. Patrick and the entire car soko family as our hero. I celebrate you as my hero, as our hero, Mr. Patrick and the entire car soko family, car soko and Ndoto ya Gari hugeuka real. So today I want you to help me to celebrate Mr. Patrick. He's my mentor, so I want you to help me to celebrate him as my hero, as our hero today, and the entire car soko family, car soko Ndoto ya Gari hugeuka real. And I want to send a big shout out to Goliath wa Bungoma. You are doing a good job, Goliath wa Bungoma. A big shout out to you. So kindly help me to celebrate Mr. Patrick, my mentor, as my hero, as our hero, and the entire car soko family. It's a boy. Still help me kindly to meet Mr. Patrick. Help me to meet him. Mr. Patrick, I celebrate you and the entire car soko family. It's a boy, the Kenyan Batman.